Hey everybody, Leanna from When You Wander here. Today I'm going to be sharing one of our top budget travel tips, and that is how to find free and cheap camping all around the US. And when I talk about free camp spots, I'm not talking about your overnight stays at Walmart or truck stops. There's plenty of resources out there for finding those sites. What I'm talking about is awesome spots out in nature. I'm going to share two tools with you that are the easiest way we've found to find awesome free camp spots. Before I get into the tools, there's one really important thing I want to talk about, and that's if you are going to be camping at these places, you absolutely need to practice leave no trace principles. So most of these camp spots aren't going to have amenities of any kind, so no bathrooms, no water, no garbage disposal. If you are familiar with leave no trace principles and already practice them, that's fantastic. If you're not familiar with them, essentially what they are a framework of 7 principles for minimum impact practices. And you can find out more information about it at lnt.org. So if you don't know about them, definitely go to lnt.org, make sure you understand them, and make sure you're prepared to practice them if you're going to camp at these spots. PSA done, getting off my soapbox. Okay, let's talk about the tools. Okay, so both tools, obviously, you're going to be looking up on your phone. So we're going to go into my phone now and take a look at these. First, we're going to go over the free campsites tool. There is a web-based app and just the website. So either way, you need to have service in order to access the tool. The interface is a little dated, but it is super easy to use and pretty straightforward. I'll just quickly kind of go through the functionality. You can enter in the location of where you are looking to camp. Then a screen will pop up, and there are color-coded different campsites. So as you can see, green means that it's a free campsite, red is pay, blue means a permit's required, and yellow means they're not really sure. They need more research to know whether or not any kind of a fee is required. You just click one of the little tent icons and you'll have a little box that pops up. You can see how many stars the users have rated it and a short description of the site, and then you just touch the box again, and that's when you get the full description of that specific camp spot. So a little criteria we use to decide whether or not we're going to check out the campsite is obviously reading through the description, looking for campsites that have a rating of 3 stars or higher, and also looking for places that have comments and reading through those. So this is where you'll find out things like what kind of cell phone service is available at the site and what the road conditions are like leading to the site, whether a 4x4 is required to get there or whether any standard vehicle can get there. Another cool feature of free campsites is the trip planner. You can enter a start and end destination, and it'll give you all the free campsites along the way. So this is super handy if you're planning like a week-long road trip. The second tool is iOverlander. So this is strictly an app. There's 2 different ways that you can search for campsites on iOverlander. There is map or list view. We'll just take a look at the list view first. When you click on that, it's using your GPS location and it's pulling up a list of the tagged camp spots in your area. If you click on any one of those, you can get more information. This is where you get the specific description about the camp spot, as well as what amenities are available. As you can see, this particular spot doesn't have any water or toilet or shower facilities, but pets, tents, and RVs are welcome. So this sounds like a backcountry campsite. This page is also where you'll find individual visitor comments and reviews. Now let's go back and take a look at the map view. It's what you would expect. Your current location is indicated by the blue dot, and as you can see, there's a lot of camp spots to choose from near us right now. From here, it works the same as the list. If you click on any of these circles, it'll pull up a page with more information and details about that specific site. Right now we're looking at the map with the unfiltered view, and it's bringing up everything that has been tagged by users in the area, including established campgrounds, restaurants, water stations. We're not currently looking for a restaurant, although 101 omelets does sound really delicious. But we can go in and filter specifically what results we want to see. If you go into the filter menu, you can click all of the filters off, and then go back in and turn on the informal campsite and wild camping filters. And now when we go back to the map view, what we should be seeing are just our free dispersed campsites. The filter tool on iOverlander is also really helpful for finding other amenities, for example, water, especially in the desert. This is what we've been using to find water stations in the area. If you want to search for free campsites in a specific area on iOverlander, you go back to the map view, zoom out, find the location of where you're looking to camp, and then zoom in, and the campsites that have been tagged for that area will populate. At any time, if you want to get back to your current location, you just click the navigation icon on the right. So iOverlander also has pretty easy functionality, a bit more flexibility in being able to search for different types of camp spots or resources. Oh, you caught me looking at cat videos. Question, which of these apps do we use the most? Which one's better? Well, the truth is we use them both, so I don't know that one is better than the other one. I would say for planning purposes, when you're looking ahead to a place that you're going to be, we typically use freecampsites.net. When we're in a spot and we're looking for specific amenities like water or other campgrounds in the area, then we'll use iOverlander. So it's really up to you, depends on what type of camping you're looking for and where exactly that you're at. But a combination of the two is what we've found to be most successful for finding free camping. Okay, so there you have it. Those are our two tools. I hope you are well equipped to go out into the wilderness and responsibly enjoy it, practicing leave no trace principles, and finding your own rad free campsites. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, guys, bye.